Hello everyone! Today I want to show you a review of a finished item. This blouse is made of silk. Have a close look at the fabric. It's milk colored with grey stripes. Notice that each stripe consists of the 3 more stripes. You've already seen me wearing this blouse in the video about the silver YouTube button. I try to show you everything I make. This blouse was made using my 10 measurement cutting system. The blouse is pretty complicated. There is a placket on the center front. There are 5 pleats on each side of the placket. Each of them is about 2 mm wide. The pleats are tiny, but they still make the blouse look pretty loose here on the belly. At the same time, it doesn't make me look fat. Have a close look at the flounce. It's doubled, and it's about 1.5 cm wide. This is the fold, so I didn't have to edge this detail. There is lace attached under the flounce. It goes to the bottom of the blouse. The sleeves are also decorated with lace. They are pretty wide. The armholes are also wide. There is a tiny stand collar. I move a lot, so I can't wear close-fitting items. I don't like it when I can't move in a blouse. This one is pretty loose and very comfortable. Have a look at the back. There are 5 pleats on each side on the center back. The pleats also make the blouse look pretty loose. Here they are. I think that we should pay more attention to the blouses. They are very convenient. Have a look at my skirt. I think that it looks amazing together with the blouse. Next, I want Olya to come here. I wanted to see how different can absolutely the same skirt look on different types of bodies and of people of different age. These skirts are made of very strong cotton. I decided to show you these skirts for you to understand that designs you see in fashion magazines can suit everyone, not only slim girls. You just have to make an item fit you perfectly. Let's get back to the blouse. There are 5 pleats on each side of the center front, so you should add at least 5 mm for them. Each pleat is about 1 or 2 mm wide. When cutting the blouse, make cuts here and open them. You should also add some for the pleats to the back. You should also make the armhole deeper and more loose. Move a part of the dart here for these parts to be more loose too. Just about 1 cm. Do the same thing on the back. Move a part of the shoulder dart to the armhole. There are tiny shoulder pads on the shoulders. Today I wanted not only to show you a review of this blouse, but also show you the skirt for you to understand that we can wear anything we want. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.